Yeah, so hey guys, my name is Krishna Mathwa, and in today's video I'm gonna talk about the courses that I used to learn web development, whether they are free courses or paid courses. I'll let you know. Also, let me tell you that I am learning web development since I was in standard 9. So I'll let you know about the mistakes that I did while learning web development at my initial stage, so that you can avoid those mistakes, so that your web development journey would be a much better one. So without getting further ado, let's get started. Actually, in this video I have discussed about 3 methods that you can follow to learn web development. These are the methods that I use to learn web development. So yeah, you can just follow up these methods if you like. Starting from the very first, that is the free way to learn web development. Talking of the free way, the only thing that comes in mind is YouTube. YouTube has an immense amount of quality content that you can follow up to learn these stuffs and learn new technologies. There are a ton of educators who teaches web development in YouTube for free, so you can definitely check those out. You just need to type that web development tutorial or any technology. If you want to learn like React tutorial or a MERN stack tutorial, you can just find like ton of videos for those. So yeah, you can definitely follow up the free way, because YouTube is a great medium through which you can learn web development for free. And at the initial stage, I have learned web development from YouTube itself. There's a creator whose name is Code with Harry. Actually, he's a very big YouTuber and he makes videos on latest technologies, web development, Android development, blockchain development, data structures and algorithms. He has different playlists for those. So I followed the web development playlist, and at my initial stage I learned web development from that playlist itself. So you can check the playlist of Code with Harry to get started. Next up is the paid way and through the paid courses. So trust me guys, paid way is one of the best way you can learn web development, because many other stuffs that are paid are actually having the quality, but you have to be clever enough to choose the right course for you. Like in Udemy, there are also fake creators and they do not give such content, and your money will be in total waste. So you have to choose the right creator. I'll just list down few creators on Udemy that makes really good content. The money that you will give will definitely be worth it. So yeah, I have used few of the Udemy courses to learn web development. Like in the intermediate level, I have used those Udemy courses. Paid courses are a great way to learn stuff, because if you have invested your money in the right place, you will definitely get the quality that you aspire for. So now you may be having the question that where to go, because there are so many platforms like Udemy, Coursera, Udacity and GradeUp, and there are so many. I can't actually name them all. So where to go? Like at the beginner stage, I will suggest that you go with the Udemy, because Udemy has courses of worth rupees 450 and 500 and 550. So these are quite a less money than those in Coursera, like 50,000 rupees and 60,000 rupees on a course. And in Udacity, it is like even more, that is like more than 1.5 lakhs and 2 lakh rupees. So I would suggest that you better go with Udemy at your beginner stage. Udemy also provides great content if you choose the right educator. As I told you, I'll just give the names of few educators in the description, so do check this out. Your money will not go in vain and you will definitely like the content. So yeah, next is through online documentation. This is my favorite part, because at the initial stage I used to think that documentation is a total waste and I should always keep on looking for tutorials and stuffs on the YouTube itself, because you can learn in a more efficient way through visuals. So I always used to prefer YouTube, but documentation is a great way to learn new technologies. There will never be enough tutorials on the internet, so you will always have to go over the documentation to learn new technologies. Now that I've come to such a position that I read a lot of documentation to learn new technologies, because every time I cannot go on the YouTube and search for a tutorial. Actually, documentation is a more recommended way to learn new technology, because if you take for instance that you want to learn React, okay, you can just type in React.js and the official site of React.js will come, and just visit the documentation section and just look for like how to get started. So it will list down all the basic syntax, and you can just read the documentation and you will learn a lot from there. So it is not necessary actually to look for tutorials always in the YouTube, and documentation is always recommended from my side, because trust me, documentations are very helpful. Earlier I used to think that it is a total waste, but it's not like that. You refer to documentation and definitely you will learn in a much efficient way, then you can learn through online YouTube tutorials, because there you will learn by yourself, by reading stuffs. So it will definitely be worth it, and I suggest you to read documentation of the technologies you want to learn. So these were the few ways that I used to learn web development, and also these were not enough for me, so I took offline classes also for web development, and then I learned web development in a much better way. So if there is an option that you can take offline classes, you can always choose for it, because in the offline classes, of course, the educator will interact with you and help you in solving your mistakes. So offline is always recommended than online. Now that you've watched tutorials and learned a few stuffs, so you can just now develop a project to get a hold of the concept that you have learned. So please don't go on learning and not applying it. You learn a thing and then apply it. You learn a thing, then you apply it. So likewise, you will have a hold on the concept that you have learned. So that is a recommended way. You have to learn by creating projects. That's the way that I follow to learn web development. I learned the stuffs and then applied it in making projects. So like with whatever knowledge you have currently, make project on that. That is very much needed in these fields, because unless you make projects, you won't understand how any web app or how any application works. So just with whatever knowledge you have, make projects on that. Yeah, so that's it for the video, guys. If you like the video, then hit the like button, and if you did not like the video, hit the dislike button. And also if you like a content, then please subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.